So in this video, I'll be taking you through step by step how you can go about selling your dogs tomorrow or whenever you want to sell it. Now, I understand that many of you know how to do this, okay? But just for the sake of those who are new in the crypto space, I'll be doing this on 3 different platforms. Okay, they are basically the same, just a little difference. Okay, so I'll be doing this on Bitget, Binance, and Bybit. Okay, the 3 major platforms. These are the 3 platforms I'm going to be showing you step by step. By the way, okay, if you want to know more or you want to know when exactly to sell or any updates of such, please don't forget to hit the link in the bio and the comment section in the description box of this video, depending on where you're watching me from, to join my Telegram channel, right? And aside that, if dog cooks very well, I'm going to do massive giveaway, so you might want to join my Telegram channel so that you stand a better chance. So I'm going to give you guys giveaway, okay? Giveaway. With that being said, let's just get into this video straight up. So I'll be doing it on Bitget Binance and of course on Bybit. So but then let's start off with Bitget. Okay, now on Bitget, remember that if you're a new user, you are, in fact, all this platform, you are entitled to bonuses, okay, upon deposit of your dogs. I want to believe you've received yours already, because mine, they are all deposited. Even Binance, I have my dogs in Binance. I also have my dogs in Bitget as I'm talking to you. So if you are using Bitget and all other platforms, just know that you are selling your dogs, you are exchanging it or selling it for USDT, which is a stable coin. You are selling it for USDT. And for you to be able to trade P2P, especially on Bitget and also Bybit, where we have P2P currently in Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, if you are not from Nigeria, you can use whatever means that is applicable in your country, right? But if you are from Nigeria, for you to do P2P on Bitget or even Bybit, you must have set your asset password or fund password. Okay, it is needed. And probably all other authentication, you must have also added your bank details, okay, which must have the same name with the verified name on that exchange, be it Bitget or Bybit, right? So but if you have not done that and you want me to make a video on that, you can leave that as a concern in the comment section and I will attend to it. So let's just get into this video straight up. So if you are using Bitget, this is how you go about selling your dogs. Okay, now you are going to click on, to see where your dog is, you click on assets. Okay, you click on assets and you see, I have searched it already, that's why you can see it here, but then it's going to be here. Okay, when you click on assets, if it is by default on overview, you click on spot, because this token will be on spot. Okay, it's not going to be on futures or wherever, because they are starting off the trading on spot. So you can see this is my dogs. Now this is my dogs and you can see it's under spots. Okay, if I click overview, I can also see this place, but in case it's on overview, when you click assets, you just have to click on spot so that you have it here. You see the dogs. Now how do you go about selling? Okay, on that day, you can either click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see the details. Okay, when you see the details, you will see trade. Okay, if you want to trade on spot trading, you click on it, right, and then it will lead you to this place. Okay, alternatively, while on spot, okay, you just still go back. Okay, you can click on trade. When you click on trade, it will still take you to the same spot. Okay, now this is docs. Now you can see there is no volume, nothing, no trade transactions going on, because it's not live yet. Okay, but assuming you want to trade this, change it, you can see dogs slash USDT pair. So you are selling your dogs for USDT, right? So all you need to do is always by default on buy, but you're not buying, you're selling. Except if you want to buy, I'll make a different video explanation on that. Okay, but it's still the same place. So you are selling, assuming dog is listed and the price is pumping and it got to a point that you feel you should sell. Okay, now when do you know how to sell? How do you know when to sell? Okay, that is why you need to be on my Telegram channel, right? Because you might end up holding until you're being dumped. Okay, and you will not make the best out of it. But assuming you want to sell your dogs is at the price that you want to sell, or you want to sell 50% of it, of your holding, 20%, 25%, or whatever quantity you want to sell. Now when you are here, you click on, normally you are going to see the available dogs that you have. Okay, now if I click on sell, it's on USDT now because it is assumed. Look at this place, the balance is on USDT because it's assumed I want to buy dogs with my USDT, but I don't have USDT here. So if I want to sell, I will click here, and then this balance available will switch to dogs, right? You have seen it now, it has switched to dogs. Now this is the dogs that I have here. If I want to sell it now I can decide to sell all, I can decide to sell a certain percent. If you look very well, you're going to see 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So if I want to sell 50%, I'll just click on 50%. Okay, and then you will see the quantity 50%. Okay, then I will click on sell or sell. Anyway, I want to click here or here. Now if I want to say 100%, now it's not updating because it's not live yet. If I want to sell 100%, I'll just click on 100. If I want to sell 25, whatever percent I want to sell, I'll just click and then click on sell. Okay, now if you have done that, then you will see the USDT equivalent of what you have sold, and that is going to be that. Okay, now assuming after selling you want to do P2P to take the money or convert the money or sell the money, the USDT, into your local currency, for instance naira. Okay, that is going to be on P2P. All you have to do is you go back to your home page. Okay, when you go back to your home page, you click on more. This is for Bitget now. Click on more, and then you're going to see P2P. When you click on P2P, you will see the current rate. Okay, you might want to filter to get the current rate from merchants. Okay, and that's not what I'm going to do now, but this is just how you do it. Now you are not buying when you come here as well, so you switch to sell because you want to sell your USDT to naira. Okay, so you choose any of these vendors considering their records, their other records. Okay, go for those that have higher other records, and also considering their verification. If you look very well, you click anyone, you're going to see the level of verification they have attained. Okay, you're going to see the level of verification they have attained by this batch. You are seeing these ticks, so you just check them. Not the ones that have higher ratings, like this one. This person has 97%. Okay, and then a total of 194 orders in the last 30 days. Okay, so you check this person as well, check as many. Then when you're okay with any one, you just choose that person. Okay, you choose that person, then you put the quantity of USDT you want to sell. The minimum on Bitget is whatever. Okay, but you just check it out, and when you are done inputting the quantity you want to sell, then you click on sell USDT, and then the person would have seen your bank details. This is my bank details now that the person is going to pay into, and you must have also set that. Okay, and as well set your transaction password or fund password or asset password, anyone. So that is for Bitget. Then on Binance, okay, on Binance is almost the same. And to see your asset, your dogs on Binance, you click on assets. Okay, when you click on assets, you are going to see, of course, mine is deposited already. You can see, okay, 74,000, right? And then to trade it, okay, now you're going to click either from here. Now you click on spot, right? Click on spot, or still from that overview you go to trade. You come back to trade, just come back to trade. When you come back to trade, now you come here and search for dogs. That is when it must have been listed. You won't see it now, but you search for dogs. Okay, it's not yet there, right? It's not yet there, but then that is how you do it. When you search for dogs, you click on it, then it will pop up and come up to display. You switch to sell, just the same way we did on Bitget. Switch to sell, and then you see the quantity of dogs that you have somewhere here. You're going to see it. This place I have available, that's where you're going to see it. And then whatever quantity you want to sell, you sell it. Okay, and There is no P2P on Binance. You just have to transfer the funds away to either Bitget if you have Bitget account, or Bybit if you have Bybit account, or a reliable vendor. You can as well contact us on Telegram. If you join our Telegram channel, we can buy your USDT from you and send you Naira equivalent in return. That is for Binance. Then on Bybit is almost the same, and on Bybit, to see your dogs, right, you click on asset. And if you have unified your account, if you have a unified trading account, it's going to be on your unified trading account. But if you don't have a unified trading account, it's supposed to be under funding. So I have unified trading account, but I did not deposit into Bybit, even though that's my favorite exchange for now. So I did not deposit into Bybit. But if you have deposited and have unified trading account, this is where you are going to click to see your dogs. But if you don't have, it's going to be here. So to trade it is basically the same. You click on spot and you'll be brought to this place. Now, assuming in all these platforms, assuming you switch to spot and then you have the charts, okay, all you have to do is to click here to go back to the trade session, okay, because sometimes it might be on charts. You just have to switch. Look at here and here. This is chart, and you'll be seeing something like this. If you click here, you'll be seeing something like this. So it's basically the same. Since you are selling your dogs to USDT, you click on sell, and you can see the quantity, the available, whatever that is available here, okay, is supposed to be in USDT, okay, by default. But because I am selling, see, this available here now is in USDT. But if I switch to selling, then the token or coin that I want to sell will appear here. In this case now, it's expected that I want to buy BTC with USDT, so my USDT balance will show up. But if I switch to sell now, it's expected I want to sell my BTC to USDT, so BTC will come here. So in Dogs case, if I switch to sell, Dogs will come here. So the balance of whatever Dogs balance that you have will appear here. So let me click sell now. You can see now this is BTC. So when you have dogs, in place of BTC, you're going to have dogs here. And from here, you can also adjust the quantity you want to sell using this place. This feature now is the adjustment. Okay, just the same way you can adjust on dogs, okay, I mean on Binance. This, you use this to adjust the quantity, whether 25%, 50%, 40%, 60% to 100%. The same way you adjust it here on Bybit and on Bitget, just as you can see. So, and when you are okay with the price and with the quantity you want to sell, you click on sell or here, right? And when you are done and you want to sell your USDT to Naira, you either do the P2P here, or you send to us, we buy from you. Now this is P2P. You click. Yours might not be on the home page. Mine is here because I use it often. So if it's not on the home page like this, just click on more. When you click on more, you scroll down and look for it. You'll be somewhere here. You look for it, okay? Just look for P2P and click. But mine is already on the home page, right? And that is why I'm just going to click on it now to show you how you can go about doing it. So it's just a warning, and then you have buy by default. You click here to switch to sell because you want to sell, and here you have the rate. Okay, now on Bybit you can actually filter. Click on this thing that looks like funnel, and then you filter show only verified advertisers, show only eligible ads. So you click and filter and then confirm. When you confirm, you will have the best vendors and the current price. Also take a look at the price limits or the quantity limits that they sell. Okay, like if you want to sell, let's use this person now. If you want to sell a dog that is less than 100,000 naira, you cannot sell to this person because his limit is, the lower limit is 100,000 to 1 million. So if you don't have a USDT, is USDT actually, if you don't have USDT that is up to 100,000 or between 100,000 and 1 million, you cannot sell to this person. So you just have to scroll down. But the lower the number of USDT you want to sell, the lower the price. But when you are buying, the lower the number of USDT you want to buy, the higher the price. That is just the irony of things. So you scroll down, assuming you want to sell USDT that is worth for instance 50,000, okay, you can decide to use this person, and you see the rate now is now lower, okay, 50,000 to 991k. So that is how you do it. When you are okay with the person, also do well to check the rate of the rating of the person and the number of orders the person has completed. When you click on any of them, you're going to see the person's level of verification as well, okay, shown by all these badge that you're seeing. Okay, you can see these ticks. It shows the level of verification of the person. So when you are okay with the person, then you click to impute the quantity of USDT you want to sell here. You impute the quantity here, and then choose your bank details, okay, which of course you must have put already, maybe one or two different payment methods. You just choose one, and then this cell will be highlighted. You click on the cell, and the person will make payment, and you release the asset. Okay, don't go and do 419. Don't go and hold the asset, because Bybit or Bitget or Binance, they are going to freeze your account, because once you click on this, your coins will be on they serve as escrow. Okay, so you cannot get away with it. Don't try to scam anybody. So that's how you go about doing it. If the video is confusing or you don't understand anything, pause it, go back, watch it over and over again, because you can't afford to make mistake, right? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with others, and also leave your decent comment in the comment section. Join us in our Telegram channel, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.